Instructional design audits. The phrase might make you think of dusty checklists and tedious reviews. But what if I told you audits are actually the secret weapon to creating truly engaging and effective learning experiences? It's true. Audits are not about criticism, they're about improvement. Think of them as a health checkup for your courses, a chance to identify what's working and where there's room to grow. Imagine a course that sparks excitement in your learners, a course so effective that it boosts knowledge retention and drives real results. That's the power of a well-audited course. By taking a structured approach to reviewing and refining your instructional materials, you can unlock their full potential and create learning experiences that truly make a difference. So, are you ready to transform your courses from good to great? Let's dive into the best practices for mastering instructional design audits and uncover the secrets to creating learning experiences that inspire and engage your audience. Consistency is key when it comes to instructional design audits. Imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe, just throwing ingredients together and hoping for the best. It's unlikely to yield the desired results, right? The same principle applies to audits. Without a consistent approach, you risk overlooking crucial elements or making subjective judgments. That's why it's essential to establish clear and measurable criteria for evaluating your courses. These criteria should be rooted in instructional design principles and aligned with your specific learning objectives. Think of these criteria as your recipe for success. They provide a framework for conducting objective and consistent audits, ensuring that every aspect of your course is carefully considered. By using a standardized approach, you can track progress over time, identify areas for improvement, and ensure that your courses are always meeting the needs of your learners. Instructional design is rarely a solo endeavor. Courses are often the result of collaboration between subject matter experts, instructional designers, graphic designers, and many others. Just as it takes a team to create a course, it takes a team to conduct a truly effective audit. Don't limit the audit process to just the instructional design team. Instead, involve all stakeholders, including learners, instructors, and even those in management roles. Each stakeholder brings a unique perspective and valuable insights to the table. Gather feedback from learners on their experiences, solicit instructors' observations on the course's effectiveness, and seek input from management on alignment with organizational goals. By fostering a collaborative audit environment, you gain a holistic understanding of the course's strengths and weaknesses, leading to more meaningful improvements. Transparency is paramount throughout the entire audit process. From the outset, it's important to clearly communicate the purpose, scope, and timeline of the audit to all stakeholders. You should also explain the criteria that will be used to evaluate the course and how the feedback gathered will be used to make improvements. Transparency helps to build trust and really alleviates any anxieties that stakeholders may have about the audit process. When people understand the why behind the audit, they're more likely to embrace the process and contribute their best insights. It's also a good idea to regularly share updates on the audit's progress and the findings that emerge. Provide stakeholders with opportunities to ask questions and seek clarification. And remember, transparency is not just about sharing information. It's about fostering a culture of open communication and collaboration. Instructional design audits should not be viewed as a one-time event, but rather as an ongoing process of continuous improvement. Just as a garden requires regular tending to thrive, so too do your courses need periodic reviews and refinements to remain engaging and effective. It's a good practice to establish a regular schedule for conducting audits, whether it's annually, biannually, or after a certain number of learner cohorts. Each audit presents an opportunity to build upon past successes, address emerging challenges, and ensure that your courses are always evolving to meet the changing needs of your learners. Embrace a data-driven approach to continuous improvement. Use the insights gathered from audits to make informed decisions about course updates, revisions, and redesigns. By making audits an integral part of your instructional design process, you create a virtuous cycle of excellence, ensuring that your courses remain relevant, engaging, and effective for years to come. Is there a best practice you embrace but I did not mention? Please share in the comments. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.